Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. A company has an infernal web application that runs on Amazon EC2 instances behind an application load balancer. The instances run in an Amazon EC2 auto-scaling group in a single availability zone. A SysOps administrator must make the application highly available. Which action should the SysOps administrator take to meet this requirement? Option A. Increase the maximum number of instances in the auto-scaling group to meet the capacity that is required at peak usage. Option B. Increase the minimum number of instances in the auto-scaling group to meet the capacity that is required at peak usage. Option C. Update the auto-scaling group to launch new instances in a second availability zone in the same AWS region. Option D. Update the auto-scaling group to launch new instances in an availability zone in a second AWS region. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Update the auto-scaling group to launch new instances in a second availability zone in the same AWS region. Question 2. A company has deployed a web application in a VPC that has subnets in 3 availability zones. The company launches 3 Amazon EC2 instances from an EC2 auto-scaling group behind an application load balancer ALB. A SysOps administrator notices that 2 of the EC2 instances are in the same availability zone. Rather than being distributed evenly across all 3 availability zones, there are no errors in the auto-scaling group's activity history. What is the most likely reason for the unexpected placement of EC2 instances? Option A. One availability zone did not have sufficient capacity for the requested EC2 instance type. Option B. The ALB was configured for only 2 availability zones. Option C. The auto-scaling group was configured for only 2 availability zones. Option D. Amazon EC2 auto-scaling randomly placed the instances in availability zones. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. The auto-scaling group was configured for only 2 availability zones. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.